C was developed and written by Dennis Emrich and implemented on Unix operating system in the year 1972 at Bell Laboratories of AT&T in USA, and hence he is known as the founder of C. Until the past few years, no absolute standard for the C language existed. The C programming language by Kernighan and Ritchie, that is K&R, served as a standard, but most compiler manufacturers added extensions and did not follow all the specifications presented by K&R. As C became one of the most popular computer languages for programming small computers, the need for a true standard became apparent. The American National Standards Institute, ANSI, produced standards that help keep each of the compilers working in the same manner. These standards, which are very exacting, explain exactly what the language should do and what should not. The first ANSI standard was released in 1989 nationally in USA. This release is called C89 or ANSI C. From 1989 to 1990, this was the C language. The year after, the American standard was accepted internationally and published by ISO. This release is called C90 or ISO C. Technically, it is the same standard as C89 or ANSI C. In 1999, the C standard went through a major revision. This revision or version of the standard is called C99. From 1999 to 2011, this was the C language. In 2011, the C standard was changed again. This version is called C11. Various new features like _generic, _static, _assert, and thread support were added to the language. From 2011 to 2017, this was the C language. In 2017, C11 was revised and various defects reports were solved. This standard is informally called C17 or C18. It contains no new features, just corrections. It is the current version of the C language. Thanks.